Because sir, fear and anxiety in the minds of people of Vasco constituency regarding regular shortage of water quantity which is being released on a daily basis to Vasco constituency. Anxiety is coupled with the fear that with the summers fast approaching, the thought of facing summers with less water supply is creating a panic situation. Concrete steps the government intends to take to tide over this very serious issue. So last time माननीय मंत्र्यान मीटिंग घेतिल्ली म्हाका दिसता डिस्ट्रिब्युशन खंय तरी मातशें स्ट्रीमलायन जावपाची गरज आसा. सो एक परत एकदा मंत्र्यान मीटिंग घेवची अशी आमकां दिसता कित्याक फुडें समर जाता म्हणून.
Because sir, entire requirement of Margua Taluka is around 80 MLD and we for last 1 month we are supplying 75 MLD. There are localized problems. It is not because of the shortage of water, but प्रत्येक फावटी दुसरे त्याच कॉन्स्टंटली त्याच एरियन भितर न्ही. रायट नाव देर इज अ प्रॉब्लम एट मांगोरील अँड सोसमोळे म्हणटा थंय 2 बिल्डिंगेन आसा. आय विल डायरेक्ट दी कन्सर्न इंजिनियर्स टू लूक इन टू इट अँड बाय April 26 you will get another distribution line laid and there will not be any shortage, absolutely no shortage of water in the month of, as you have said, anxiety in the month of
April, May.
Yeah, thank you.